In recent years, the term superfood has gained significant traction in the health and wellness community. These nutrient-dense foods are celebrated for their remarkable health benefits, packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other compounds that can enhance overall health and well-being. In this article, we will explore 3 superfoods that can quickly improve your health: blueberries, spinach, and quinoa. We will delve into their nutritional profiles, health benefits, and practical ways to incorporate them into your diet. 1. Blueberries, the antioxidant powerhouse. Nutritional profile. Blueberries are small, but they pack a serious nutritional punch. A 1-cup serving, approximately 148 grams, contains about calories, 84 carbohydrates, 21 grams fiber, 4 grams sugar, 15 grams vitamin C, 24 of the daily value DB vitamin K, 36 of the divide manganese, 25 of the divide. Additionally, blueberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant blue color. These compounds are known for their ability to combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Health benefits. 1. Brain health. Several studies have suggested that blueberries may improve cognitive function and delay age-related decline. The antioxidants found in blueberries can help protect brain cells from oxidative damage and reduce inflammation, potentially lowering the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and dementia. 2. Heart health. Blueberries have been shown to promote heart health by improving blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Regular consumption can lead to a reduction in LDL bad cholesterol and an increase in HDL good cholesterol, as well as improved endothelial function, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood vessels. 3. Blood sugar regulation. Despite their sweetness, blueberries have a low glycemic index, making them a great fruit choice for those looking to manage blood sugar levels. The fiber in blueberries can help slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. Incorporating blueberries into your diet. Adding blueberries to your diet is easy and delicious. Here are a few simple ways to incorporate them. Smoothies. Blend a cup of blueberries with your favorite fruits, grains, and a source of protein like yogurt or protein powder for a nutritious smoothie. Oatmeal. Top your morning oatmeal with fresh blueberries for a burst of flavor and added nutrients. Salads. Add blueberries to salads for a sweet twist. They pair well with spinach, nuts, and feta cheese. Snacks. Enjoy them as a quick snack on their own or with a handful of nuts for added protein. 2. Spinach, the leafy green powerhouse. Nutritional profile. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is exceptionally low in calories but high in nutrients. A 1-cup serving of raw spinach, approximately 30 grams, contains about calories, 7 carbohydrates, 1 gram fiber, 1 gram protein, 1 gram vitamin A, 56 of the divide vitamin C, 14 of the divide vitamin K, 181 of the divide folate, 15 of the divide iron, 5 of the divide. Spinach is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as several essential minerals, making it a highly nutritious addition to any diet. Health benefits. 1. Bone health. Thanks to its high vitamin K content, spinach plays a vital role in bone health. Vitamin K is essential for calcium absorption and bone mineralization, helping to reduce the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. 2. Eye health. Spinach is loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that are crucial for eye health. These compounds protect the eyes from harmful blue light and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants and phytonutrients in spinach have strong anti-inflammatory effects. Regular consumption may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Incorporating spinach into your diet. Spinach is incredibly versatile and can be easily added to various dishes. Here are some ideas: salads. Use fresh spinach as a base for salads, adding a variety of colorful vegetables, nuts, and proteins for a satisfying meal. Smoothies. Blend spinach into smoothies for an extra nutrient boost without altering the flavor significantly. Omelets and scrambles. Add spinach to your morning omelet or scramble for a nutritious start to the day. Soups and stews. Toss a handful of spinach into soups or stews near the end of cooking for added nutrients and vibrant color. 3. Quinoa. The complete protein nutritional profile. Quinoa is a grain-like seed that is often touted as a superfood due to its impressive nutritional profile. A 1-cup serving of cooked quinoa, approximately 185 grams, contains about calories, 222 carbohydrates, 39 grams fiber, 5 grams protein, 8 grams fat, 4 grams iron, 15 of the divide magnesium, 30 of the divide phosphorus, 28 of the divide. What sets quinoa apart from other grains is its complete protein profile, containing all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. Health benefits. 1. Muscle recovery and growth. Quinoa's complete protein content makes it an excellent choice for athletes and anyone looking to build or maintain muscle mass. It supports muscle recovery after exercise and provides the necessary amino acids for muscle repair and growth. 2. Digestive health. Quinoa is high in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Fiber also helps to keep you feeling full, which can be beneficial for weight management. 3. Blood sugar control. Due to its low glycemic index, quinoa can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Its fiber content slows the absorption of carbohydrates, preventing spikes in blood sugar, making it a suitable choice for individuals with diabetes. Incorporating quinoa into your diet. Quinoa is easy to cook and can be used in a variety of dishes. Here are some suggestions. Salads. Use quinoa as a base for salads, mixing it with vegetables, legumes, and a light dressing for a nutritious meal. Bowls. Create grain bowls by layering quinoa with roasted vegetables, proteins, and sauces such as tahini or avocado dressing. Breakfast. Cook quinoa in almond milk or coconut milk and top with fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for a nutritious breakfast. Soups. Add cooked quinoa to soups for added texture and nutrition. Conclusion. Incorporating superfoods into your diet can yield significant health benefits and improve your overall well-being. Blueberries, spinach, and quinoa are 3 nutrient-packed foods that can quickly enhance your health. By embracing these superfoods and exploring various ways to include them in your meals, you can take a proactive approach to your health. Remember, while superfoods can play a vital role in a healthy diet, they should be part of a balanced and varied eating plan. Combining these superfoods with a wide range of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats will help you achieve optimal health and vitality. So, start integrating these superfoods into your meals today and reap the benefits of a healthier lifestyle.